headlight's not working on your Fairlane or Torino or Mercury, anything like this, but your brake lights are working, more likely it's a headlight switch. People are intimidated about taking it apart, but it's actually super easy. First thing you do is underneath the dash, all right, this switch is under there. There's a button on the bottom. Push this button and pull the knob out. And the way you do that, remember, picture this is still in the dash, is you extend the knob all the way out, then push the button, and then with your other hand, grab it, and it pulls out. All right, but it's still in there. Next thing you do is take your biggest flathead screwdriver you got, stick it right there, and walk out the nut that goes in there. I'll show you how that's supposed to look real quick. And then fish the old switch out, which is right there, and unplug it, plug the new one back in, and go reverse. I'll show you that real quick. That way you see how this actually works. Real quick, just to show you what happened to mine. The ceramic deteriorated and broke, and the inside's all corroded. So that's what happened to mine. But some of the contacts were still working on the inside, which is why I had brake lights. Pretty confident that's what it's going to be, obviously, because that's broke. I don't know if that's going to fix everything. This car's been sitting for 10 years. Anyway, let's put it back together and see what happens. I'm sorry about the noise of the traffic. It sucks. Okie dokie. It is plugged in and fished back in. See where I got it right there. It's probably a good idea to disconnect your battery too. So I just heard something. I don't know if it was spark or not, but I don't care. All right, see the threads? Now, you've got this piece that's got a little keyway on it. I'll match it with that one. And then with one hand, you're gonna push the switch back up. Other hand, you're gonna thread this back in. Get it started a few times, and then use your fathead screwdriver. You can use a flathead also. It's just gotta fit in those grooves. It's gotta fit perfect. You can also buy new shit, but I'm not doing a restoration on this car. I am just making it a driver. That is good. That is good. Then, triangle piece right here. Boom. Doesn't come back out. Now let's see if the headlights work. Please work. Please work. Please work. I'd love to drive this at night. Uh-oh, I got a turn signal. Boom! Headlights. One bright out. That bright on. Where's my dimmer switch? Uh-oh. This thing should have a floor dimmer switch. Okay, I gotta figure out that. Maybe it's down there and it never got put back. I don't know. But let's see if we got taillights. Yes. They suck, but they're there. Awesome sauce. Anyway, there you go. Quick video of how to do your headlight switch. Sweet. Thanks. All right, it's about 7:30. Time to go. Let's see if these lights work. Ooh, we got dash lights. We got tail lights. And obviously we got headlights. Old. All these lights are old. Again, remember this car sat for over 10 years. There's no telling how old it was before I got it. Anyway, cool. Headlight switch works. Sweet.